Lawyers for Silvio Berlusconi have asked Italy's Supreme Court to throw out a tax fraud conviction against the former Prime Minister in a case that could decide not only his future but that of Italy's fragile coalition government. The Court of Cassation heard more than 3 hours of arguments from Berlusconi's two lawyers challenging the verdict of a lower appeals court which sentenced him to jail and a ban from public office for the fraudulent purchase of broadcasting rights by his Mediaset television empire. The court then adjourned until Thursday, when a court official said the 5 judges would begin considering their decision at 10 a.m. GMT. The court can confirm the sentence, overturn it, or send the case back to the appeals court for a retrial because of legal errors. If the court confirms the sentence, there could be political turmoil in the midst of Italy's worst post-war recession. The weak coalition government of Prime Minister Enrico Letta's center-left Democratic Party and Berlusconi's center-right People of Freedom could be plunged into crisis. Berlusconi's chief lawyer, Franco Coppi, told the Supreme Court judges that the lower court had ignored defense arguments that Berlusconi was not directly involved in Mediaset's business dealings after he entered politics in 1994. He said in any case the court had wrongly framed the charges, which were not fraud but an accounting offense subject to fines rather than a penal sentence. Persecution claim. On Tuesday, the public prosecutor asked the court to reject Berlusconi's final appeal against a 4-year jail sentence commuted to 1 year under an amnesty. But he said a ban from public office for the 4-time prime minister should be reduced from 5 years to 3. The 76-year-old media tycoon says he has been persecuted by leftist judges ever since he entered politics in 1994, but if he loses the Supreme Court case it will be his first definitive conviction in at least 24 trials. Because of his age, the jail sentence would be served through community service or house arrest. Followers say he would still run his party, which he founded and bankrolls and which has no clear alternative leader. The Supreme Court decision is not Berlusconi's only legal headache. He is also appealing against a 7-year jail sentence in June for abuse of office and paying for sex with Moroccan-born nightclub dancer Karima El Maroug, alias Ruby the Heart Stealer, when she was underage.